Alright, today I'm going to do a tiny unboxing. I am the biggest poser of all time. I like what I see on other people's videos, so I just feel like trying it myself. So first, well, I only have a couple items, but this first one is, I also am a poser because I don't even understand half the things I got, but I ordered some lube from Daniel Ringer. I think he's over in the Midwest somewhere, and he said he lives next to the factory that makes this stuff, and it sounded intriguing. It's a dry, supposedly a dry type of lube. 2 or 3 coats or something is what I remember him saying, but it's RO-59TMKT. Let me see if I can get that on here a little better. Oh, the light's so bright though. Let's see. Yeah. I think it lasts, I believe, a year, maybe a year and a half from what he said. So yeah, previously I had ordered some Krytox GPL 205 number 0 from, and I think I ordered it from Indonesia, which is where sounded funny, but everyone said you got to order it from here. And yeah, they were very polite and nice, and they mailed it right out. I have never lubed some switches yet, but I want to get into it, so this is something I'll be doing shortly. But this is vintage blacks. I forget the year on this board, but definitely old. And I got to clean it up and then desolder it and whatnot. But I don't know, I was thinking maybe we'll open these and see what the viscosity's like, since I don't know what I'm doing. Let me get a spudger. I think I got one here. Yeah. Alright, let's see. First, let's open this Krytox 2050. Is it glued down? No. I don't even know how to open it. That's one. Watch me spill it all over the place. Oh, looks like it's taped shut here. Yeah. Let's see if I can figure out how to... Oh, okay. Oh, it's kind of around the whole thing, I see. Well, I don't want it to take the label off, though. We'll go like this and see if we can salvage the label. Okay. Now, let's see. Oh, yeah, it's pretty loose, actually, huh? Yeah, I don't know how long this lasts either. Probably shouldn't be. Wow, it's very, you know. Man, no, sorry if the light's too bright. Let me see if I can back this light up a little bit. Okay. I don't know if you can see this, but it kind of slides around. Yeah, the lighting's not great. Sorry about that. Let's see if I poke it around. Maybe we can tell a little bit. Wow, there's not much in there. I guess it doesn't take much to do anything. Interesting. Close that back up. And now let's take a look at this, but I guess I should wipe this off so I don't mix the two. Kleenex, I guess, should be good enough, I hope. Spudger's pretty slippery plastic, okay. Now let's see what the R0 or RO-59TMKT. Maybe the more letters and numbers you put in it, the cooler it sounds. Oh, that's very liquidy. You can see it just kind of, I don't want to shake it too much, but yeah, you can see it, I think. Okay, it's milky. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it. Oh, wow, it doesn't even stick to the tip of this. Wow. Alright, well, I got lots of experimenting ahead since I've never done it, but that's two different kinds of lube that I see people discussing, so I'll participate and hopefully weigh in at some point. Okay, let's see, what else? The only other thing I have is my first product from Rama, from Down Under, the Thunder from Down Under. Let's see, Auckland, New Zealand, shipped from there, huh? Guess I thought they were in Australia, but this is saying New Zealand, so. Let's see what we got, shall we? Here we go. Oh, we can't quite see it yet, can we? Let's do this again. Okay, there's a nice little package. Wow, might be triple coated. I see another package inside the package. Wow. Rama's fascinating to me because it's a foundry. They make stuff, they make metal things, they make plastic things. Like, I wish I could do that. But I like that they've chosen to do it in the mechanical keyboard community. Make their artistry work to support the mechanical keyboard community. Beautiful packaging, that's for sure. I don't know if I would keep it, but wow, that's gorgeous. Oh, what? Oh yeah, I forgot what I got. I thought this would be a keycap, an artisan keycap unboxing, but I forgot I also got a tray. Unfortunately, I should know the names of all these because that's cool too, but I think the keycap's called Wave Seek something or other, and I think it's actually the or what is it? What's that hardest material? Carbon nanotube. Man, you'd think I would know, huh? Let's see. Maybe they'll describe themselves. I doubt it. Oh, look at this. A couple stickers. Welcome. Oh, wow. Yellow and black. I have a thing that happens through my daughter's volleyball. I'll show you guys. Basically, in America, we have a thing called, there's the thermoses that people use to hydrate and add water, and so a lot of them are used out and about or camping or hiking, or my daughter plays beach volleyball, and so it's very common to, and indoor volleyball actually, they have water jugs, and the girls will decorate them with their favorite products, and so you kind of get a little window into who they are by looking at their bottles. So I kind of did the same thing. And so I think this new stickers will fit well on my water flask. The brand I love is one out of Oregon. It's called Hydra Flask. There's lots of different competitors out there, but I don't know, something about their style appeals to me and their company. So here's a little bit about what things I like. Carver, I have a Carver skateboard. When we go to most of these beach volleyball tournaments, I can ride that up and down the beach. I'm from the Pacific Northwest, so this is a little representation of that. Here's the Manhattan Beach, California one. P1440 is one of the volleyball circuits or programs for my daughter's age that provides tournaments for them to play in. But if you'll notice, now there's actually here's a coffee one. Let's talk about that. This is Anchorhead Coffee in Seattle. Believe me, we have good coffee in Seattle, and this is one of my favorite places. But, and here's a coffee house in Huntington Beach that I like that we stayed at. Here's another volleyball. Okay, back to see what we got for some mechanical keyboardy things on here though. I got my novel keys, old one, and then I just got the new one in the mail. So here's the novel keys new logo. Is that it? I must have more than that. Let's see. This is the original fidget cube. That's it? Oh wow. Okay, well, Rama will be my new addition. We might as well do it right now. Should I put yellow or black? I think I want yellow on there. So we're gonna put a yellow and we're gonna put it right here. This doesn't have to be too fancy, but it's gonna start covering the Hydra Flask. I think it's too tall. Yep, too bad, you gotta start overlapping. That's how it works. So I'm gonna go right here maybe. Not because once it's on there, it's on there. Yeah, okay, cool. Glad I got that new thing on here. Need to get some more. Okay, so we got our Rama stickers, we got the Wave Seek. I guess it's titanium maybe is what I was trying to mention earlier. It's hefty, feels great. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's nice. My wife's coming over to see. This is that foundry I was talking about. Here, you want to feel it?
It's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavier than the rest. And I'm a wimpy collector so far. I like participating in all the things, so this is my humble. I don't quite understand. Like, I look at people on Reddit, Mac Market, just trading all kinds and bro caps, and like I don't really understand the community too well, but I just treat it as art, and I get what appeals to me, I guess. So here's a close-up of the ones I've bought so far. I think this is Jelly Keys that does the, you know, koi stuff, or this is more like a mountain range with snow. There, that one is, maybe they both are, or yeah, this one's like summer, I think, and this one obviously is mountains with snow, maybe, but maybe I can take them out and see if we can get some views of it. Yeah, I like the idea of what they do there. Here's a close-up of the, sorry, the mountains and the snow. Okay. We live in Seattle, Washington, and the University of Washington Huskies are here, and I was fantasizing that I might make a keyboard eventually or soon that if I could get a hold of some dang phantom keycaps, which are always sold instantly when people are selling them on Mac Market. I missed the group buy, and now I'm feeling the pain of that because yeah, those are exactly the school colors, and so that with this keycap I could see being an enjoyable keyboard. I don't know, I just like the idea of this Pharaoh one. It looked attractive on the website. This is a bear, like a polar bear. This is a strawberry with chocolate, I guess. And now I have a nice titanium Rama keycap to add to the set. All right, very nice. What else? We got one more bag to open. Let's see what this looks like, shall we? There's so much variety in their sets, but I gotta say, I do like the moon ones. I think that's the darker color. So I was actually glad that this was the available dish. I know they have round or square. Wow, this feels amazing. Amazing. It's got some nice heft to it. I can put screws in it. For storage, I have little bags kind of like this, I guess, for storing things, but this will be nice for stuff I'm doing at the immediate moment. I could see my wife could use it for jewelry if she wanted, but I think I like it. I'll have it on my desk, probably just for the art of it. It's beautiful, the stuff they make. Allie, you want to feel this one? You could be like a jewelry dish, but you do screws in it. It's just art with metal, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty quality. I already got something, there's a little smudge on it. Okay. Well, that's the unboxing. My first and short unboxing and my poser life that I have. Actually, I'm growing into it. I love it. Thanks for watching.